Hey, welcome to Graphic Policy Television GPTV. I'm Brett. In my hands is the Transformers Legacy Dead End figure. Now, why am I excited about Dead End? Because he is part of Menasor, the first combiner for the Transformers Legacy line. I'm really pumped about it because I never had Menasor as a kid. It was funny. I had Motor Master, and I think like that was it. So to be able to go get Menasor all these years later, I'm not gonna lie, is it's really me as an adult, just living out what I didn't get to do as a kid. All right, so let's check out the figure, and really in the end, we're just holding out for all of them to be released so we can put together Menasor. Not gonna lie, that's really the goal here, because the combiners were kind of awesome, and I didn't have too many of them growing up. The two I always wanted Devastator, and then Menasor. I kind of dug the Aerial Bots. Was it Protector was another one? I was not a Protector fan. I hated the Compy Bots or whatever. Compy, I forgot what they were. What were they called? Whatever. Really, it's all about Menasor for me. I'm not gonna lie. Menasor was the one I always dug for some reason. I really dug Devastator. Devastator is the one I really want. I need to go get Devastator at some point. All right, obviously stands, no problem. Let's do feet. Not really much of a foot action there. Knees, a single bend. It does have a twist at the top of the leg. Waist movement there. Arms, good. Elbow, we got actually upper arm gets movement. Elbow single. Hand does not move. The head, we get side to side, but nothing back and forth. All right, as far as the design of the figure looks nice. It looks really, really nice in the design. Maybe I would have liked the hand to be able to twist a little bit, but overall, this is a pretty solid figure. It doesn't feel airy, if that makes sense. Like there's some heft to it. Like it really does kind of feel like there's something there, figure-wise. So that's pretty cool. You can probably get some decent poses out of it. You talking to me? All right, the big one. Let's try to transform our figure here. Now, for those who've watched these videos, I have a horrible record at transforming them, but we were gonna give it a shot. All right, let's see here. All right, first up, it looks like we twist this. And the wheels gets twisted down. That comes out, and the ribs come out. Head twists. Looks like, ooh, let's fix that up. And then this, like, wow, that's actually a really nice mechanism. Not gonna lie, that's actually kind of impressive. Oops. That's actually really nice, like, converting mechanism that they just went with that. It was kind of fairly smooth and kind of cool. So that's how it winds up there. All right. Feeling I know how this is going to wind up. Yep. It seriously might have been the quickest transformation I've like ever done, other than like the really, really basic ones. I did it. Success. Success in a video under 5 minutes. I think that is pretty impressive for me, for those who have watched it and watched my previous videos. And we got that. And it's not like a fake success. This is actually success in me putting this together. So I am very proud of myself. Woohoo! As far as which part this goes to, it is Menasor's arm, it looks like. It's going to be really interesting to see how this all comes together eventually. Alright, this is a pretty cool figure. Fairly easy for me to put together, which says something. Either the simplicity, or I just scored on this one and did really, really well. Overall, this is a solid figure. This is a very solid figure. Easy transformation. I think a nice depiction of the character. And there's something to it. It does not feel like chintzy. There's some figures where you're just like, like the parts don't quite... Like there's just this, like, I don't know quite how to describe it. I think you all know what I'm talking about. But this actually has some really, this is a really nice transformation. Hello? There we go. This is really, like, some nice, this is nice use of, like, the space in the figure and really everything. So yeah, this is pretty good and pretty cool. So you can go get this. Out now in shops. We've got some links where you can purchase your own. There'll be affiliate links. We do get a small percentage by doing that. You help support our site, and I transformed it back in less than a minute. If you want the latest Transformer news, you can check us out every single day at graphicpolicy.com. We're on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Tumblr, Instagram, TikTok, and Mastodon, all at Graphic Policy, keeping it nice and consistent. Until next time, keep playing with your toys, and keep it geeky. Hey, thanks for watching the previous video from Graphic Policy Television. Just by watching, you help support our site. Thank you so much. Now, if you're watching these videos, you probably care about geeky things like movies, television, comic books, toys, games, video games, you name it. You can go and subscribe right now to our YouTube channel to stay in touch and catch all the new videos, or check out our website at graphicpolicy.com. There's a nice link on this end of the video. But as always, thank you for watching. Keep on rocking and keep it geeky.